You might have tried using methods like includes or indolflows, only to find they didn't work as expected. You are not alone in this frustration. Many people encounter similar issues when working with arrays in programming. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "How can I check if any of the strings in my array contain the PID number?" They provided an array with elements like 123, 456, and number 123. Sound familiar? If so, let's dive into this together and find a solution. So, what could be going wrong? The methods you tried, like array.includes and array.index of comma, are great for exact matches but won't help you find substrings. We need a different approach to check for partial matches within the strings. And don't go anywhere. I've got a handy tip at the end that will make PID searching even easier for you. To check if any string in the array contains the PID array, the user can use the array_pl_sum method. This method tests whether at least one element in the array passes the test implemented by the provided function. Next, the user should define the condition inside the sum method. In this case, the user will check if each string includes the PID number. After implementing this, the user can store the result in a variable. This variable will be true if any string contains the PID and false otherwise. Finally, the user can log the result to the console to see if any string in the array contains the PID number. This will provide immediate feedback. Fun fact: did you know that the first programming languages were created in the 1950s? They were much simpler than what we have today, but they laid the groundwork for all the amazing things we can do now. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by a user suggests using the join method. They recommend joining all the strings in the array into a single string, and then using insgo to check for the PID. Now, let's dive into a different answer from another. An alternative solution provided by a user is to use the array_sum method. This approach checks if any item in the array includes the PID number. It's a clear and readable way to solve the problem. Now, let's dive into a different answer from another user. An alternative solution provided by a user suggests using the filter function. They demonstrate how to filter the array to find elements containing the PID number. The user also mentions using if_while to create a regular expression for the search, but notes that you could simply use the equality operator instead. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video where we tackle more coding challenges.